My name's Jim, and I'm a teacher, and I have 3 minutes to tell you how to make better design decisions, how to win arguments with your clients, and be worth more money through user experience design, and my free class from Aquin's Gymnasium, User Experience or UX Fundamentals for graphic designers like you. But I only have 3 minutes, so let's go. For many of us, designing a website means making a comp and handing it off to a developer. It's kind of like designing a book. A book designer is concerned with layout, color, and typography, how the book looks, but not how it works. I mean, everybody knows how to use a book, but that's not true with a website or an app. You can design what happens when your customers scroll, what happens when they move their mouse, what happens when they click or swipe or pinch, what happens on a small screen or on a big one, the steps needed to buy a product or service. And you get to watch what your users do with concrete data, all in the aim of making that customer happy so that your client can meet their goals. Here's an example. Popular books on Amazon.com get lots of reviews, hundreds of them, sometimes thousands. Well, Amazon added this function, allowing customers to say which reviews are helpful. That lets Amazon filter the best reviews to the top. Well, that design change boosted sales, which in Amazon's case amounts to billions of dollars. Now, whose job was it to think of that button? It went beyond just layout, typography, and color. It required researching and understanding the customer, understanding and watching sales, paying attention to the way it's written. It was almost certainly tested with real people, and it made the customer happy while focusing on business goals. A user experience designer has their fingers in all of these pots. They craft everything that a customer sees and does, and they don't just use one process or piece of software. They use a bunch of different tools. Some of them you may have already used, like sitemaps or wireframes. In fact, you might be using wireframes right now without really knowing why. Wireframes, am I right? Learning UX means knowing how to use a lot of different tools, how to experiment, how to listen to people, how to solve problems analytically by collecting and using data. Oh, and by the way, web designers make good money, but user experience designers do better. This course is an introduction to the tools of user experience design. It's quick, it's 5 sessions, and it's got useful techniques that you can start using today. And best of all, it's free. It's sponsored by Aquin. You'll have new tools that will help you make better design decisions. You'll win arguments with your clients because you'll know how to get data to back it up. And you'll be worth more money because you'll help your clients make more money. Sign up for the course and start the first assignment, which will take about 10 minutes. Speaking of which, 3 minutes. Woo! I made it! See you in the classroom.